Okay, now you have learned about how to uh, create a module and how to import a module globally. Okay, now we had to learn about this function. Okay, let me write the variable here, content dir keyword, and write the name of your module and click. Okay, I have to display print content. Okay, you can see that what this dir function is doing, that it is returning the sorted list of strings containing the names that are defined by the module. Okay, this name string is the name of your module, is for the name of your module, and this file string is for the file where your module is loaded. All right. Okay, these, the names or the strings were defined by us, and these things were defined by the system or the Python by itself. All right. So this is all for this video. We have learned about how to write a module, how to import a module globally and locally, and also about this function, this dir function. And hope you like the video. If you really find it useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.